Hi, day 16 of the challenge. I got a question and they say, my question is about chronic situations. What is the protocol for after the 4 to 6 weeks? How often do you have to torch after that? So you will remember a video that I made the other day about chronic and acute situations, the difference in how long you would be torching. And I said there that in chronic situations, so for example, I have a dog here who has arthrosis, deformation of the elbow. So it's a chronic situation. I have to torch every 2 days for at least 4 to 6 weeks. And then the protocol is slowly but surely you are going down with the sessions, meaning instead of every 2 days, you go to every 3 days for a week or two, then to twice a week for another week, then once a week, and health maintenance for this situation would then be to torch once every 2 weeks. Okay? When you have to go from one group to the other, if you're going to torch for 4 weeks or to 6 weeks, it all depends how long the animal has been sick or has had this chronic condition. Remember that I said the longer the situation has been going on before you start with photonic therapy, the more sessions the animal will need. Okay? That's it for today. See you tomorrow.